So what it should start out doing is it kind of zeroes itself to like a center. And then after it does that, it should kind of start drawing like a box shape here. So it'll draw like the outline first of a square. Sounds like that X direction is catching a little bit there. And then after it does kind of the outline, it'll go and start filling in the center. So can you tell if it's actually extruding any sort of plastic yet, or?
No.
'Cause it should be kind of running that. Yeah, this motor should be running. So I'm wondering, yeah, this board is not turned on. So I'm wondering if we're not getting enough current through this board to actually run the extruder head right now. So we may need to swap out this power supply with a bigger power supply.
It's laying down actually, isn't it?
No, well, in theory it is. But since this motor's not actually running to push anything through, it's not actually pushing plastic.
This is so much fun now after 1 year.
It's only been like 10 months. Come on. Be even more fun once it starts printing out like bobbleheads and stuff. So we need to, when we set up the zero switch or whatever, it needs to be when this extruder head is right over top of the corner of the plate,
Okay.
not when it's actually at the end of the track.